Welcome to Food Around and Find Out. Let's try Teddy's tallow chips. Never had beef tallow anything before, I don't think. There's only 3 ingredients in here: potatoes, beef tallow, and Himalayan salt. These are promising. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. You can really taste the beef when you breathe out or whatever, the beef flavor, whatever. I don't know how tallow works. Teddy's tallow chips, top notch, man. Muy bueno. If you find these anywhere, go get them. Muy bueno. So I gotta know. We're gonna find out which is better, Teddy's tallow or Lay's. Not too different. So instead of an Eclipse, is this an E-Chips? Sorry. Lay's. That was the Teddy's. It was a no-brainer. Lay's, you suck. Teddy's tallow all the way, baby. Seriously, these are so good.